Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is, a clock was set right at 8 am on Sunday. The clock loses 1% during the first week and then gains 2% during the next week. What will the time shown by the clock exactly 14 days from the day it was set right? So what is the given question? A clock, it was showing the right time at 8 am on a Sunday. On a particular Sunday, 8 am, the clock was showing right time. Then first week, the clock loses 1%, that is minus 1%. Second week, the clock gains 2%. Then what will be the time shown by this clock? Exactly 14 days from the day it was set right. That means next after 14 days, again a Sunday will come. So on that Sunday, 8 pm, what will be the time shown by this clock? So that is a given question. So just let's break up this question. In the first week, 1% is lost. So 1 week means how many hours are there? In 1 day, we are having 24 hours. So in 1 week, how many hours will be there? 24 into 7 is equal to 168 hours. So the clock loses 1%. That means the clock is losing minus 1.68 hours, or it is running late by 1.68 hours. But second week, what is happening? In the second week, the clock is gaining 2%. So again a week is coming, so 168 hours, so 2% of 168, which gives you 3.36. So in second week, the clock is gaining 3.36 hours. So what is the net gain? The net gain will be equal to minus 1.68 plus 3.36, which gives you 1.68 hours. So the clock will be gaining 1.68 hours in 14 days. 2 weeks is equal to 14 days. So 8 am on Sunday means it will be 1.68 hours advanced. The clock will be showing 1.68 hours in advance when compared to the correct time. So what it will be showing? It will be showing 9, then 0.68. 0.68 you have to convert to minutes. So 0.68 into 60. So you will be getting 40 minutes and 48 seconds. So this will be your answer. So you will be getting 1.68 hours more. So 0.68 into 60, when you are doing, you will be getting 48 seconds. So this will be the time shown by the clock exactly after 14 days from the particular Sunday 8 am on which it was set right. So second question, a watch gains 2 minutes in 12 hours while a clock loses 2 minutes every 36 hours. Both are set right at 12 noon on Sunday. Find the correct time when both show the same time next. So what is the given question? So there is a watch which is gaining 2 minutes in 12 hours. Okay, it is gaining 2 minutes in every 12 hours. In every 12 hours, the watch will be gaining 2 minutes. And what about the clock? The clock will be losing 2 minutes every 36 hours. And both the watch and the clock are set right on a particular Sunday 12 noon. So next, when they will be showing the correct time means both will be showing the same time. So when both will be showing the correct time next. So that is the question. So for easy comparison, here 2 minutes in 12 hours. That means in 36 hours, how many minutes? 12 into 3 is equal to 36. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6 minutes. So the watch will be gaining 6 minutes in 36 hours and the clock will be losing 2 minutes in 36 hours. So totally what is the net time difference? The net time difference will be equal to plus 6 minus 2. Net time difference. Okay, net time difference in 36 hours. In 36 hours, the net time difference will be equal to 6 minus 2, which gives you 8 minutes. So there is a 8 minutes time difference between the watch and the clock in every 36 hours. The correct time will be shown by both the clocks when this time difference is equal to 12 hours. Okay, so when this time difference is equal to 12 hours, then both the clocks will be showing the same time. So 12 hours means how many minutes? It will be 720 minutes. So the time difference is 8 minutes in 36 hours. So the time difference will become 720 minutes in how many hours? So that is the question here. So just use the unitary method. 36 hours, 8 minutes. So x hours, 720 minutes. That is a case here. So what you will be getting? Here 90 will come. So your x will be equal to 36 into 90 hours. So you can convert it into days by dividing by 24. So when you are dividing by 24, you will be getting the corresponding number of days. So what you will be getting? So this will give you the days. So 36 and 12 into 2 and 12 into 3, and this will be 45. So your final answer will be 45 into 3 days, which gives you 135 days. So only after 135 days, the time difference between the clocks will become equal to 12 hours or 720 minutes. So both the clocks will be showing the correct time and both the clocks will be showing the same time. So it is 135 days. Thank you for watching.